Hello everybody, welcome back to another video with Lim Reviews. Now today we do have something pretty exciting from Realme, that is actually the Realme 9. Now if you recall, the Realme 9 was launched with the Pro Plus, I think at the beginning, and then we had the Pro, and now finally we have the base version, which is the 9 here. Now here in Malaysia, the phone itself is going to be officially launched on the 20th of April. Do stay tuned for that, but today I'm only going to be able to show you a very quick hands-on look at what came in the box, what are the key specifications that you need to take note of with the Realme 9. And just think of this as a very first look at the device itself. The full review will be a week later, but yeah, let me share with you what you can expect to get with the latest Realme 9. Now before I begin, of course, if you could just drop a like and sub to the channel, that would be so much more appreciated. And of course, if you are new here, definitely want to say welcome to the channel. Now let us begin and check out what actually came in the box. Now before I show you the actual box itself, I must say thank you very much to Realme Malaysia for really setting us up with this so cool Ramadan special box. Obviously here in Malaysia, I know a lot of my Muslim friends are fasting, so selamat berpuasa to all of you guys out there. But yeah, Realme did send us this huge blue box, and it looks amazing, guys. Inside there's a couple of cool items. We have a phone stand, we also have the Realme 9 itself, and of course some snacks from Realme, which is very nice. Now we're going to go back and talk a bit about the Realme 9 because that's the main star of today's show. In the box itself, right off the bat, as soon as you unbox this, we do get the case itself, a very simple casing. We also get the device, of course, and next we also have the Type-C cable together with the 33-watt fast charger. So that's all you get in the box, pretty standard these days, but now we're going to take a look at the devices themselves because they do look quite interesting. Now the Realme 9 itself does come in 3 different colors. There is a gold, there is a black, and there is a white. They have fancy names for that, but I'm just going to go with the most basic ones. And unfortunately, or should I say fortunately, I only have 2 versions here, which is the white as well as the black. There is one more gold version which looks amazing, guys. It looks crazy unique, but unfortunately I do not have that here today. So we're just going to take a look at the black and white here. Now in terms of the back panel design, we do have a pretty nice back panel here. On the white version, we do have this sort of, I don't know how to explain it, sort of wavy look at the back. And whenever you just tilt it from side to side, you are able to see a couple of interesting patterns on the back. The good news here is that both back panels are actually matte, so you do not have a lot of fingerprints, although the black version here does tend to capture a little bit of like sweat at the back and all that. So just thought I should mention that as well. In terms of the camera bump, we do have a tiny camera bump on the back, which is not a big deal. We do have that triple camera setup, which we will talk a little bit more later. Onto the sides itself, we do have this frame here that looks really nice. Pretty good design. You have your Type-C cable at the bottom. You have your single firing speaker. Yes, it's only a single firing speaker, but you still have the headphone jack here on the Realme 9. So still a thumbs up there. Moving on to the right, you do have your power button, and on the left, you do have your volume rocker together with your SIM card tray, which is worth pointing out that it supports a micro SD, so you can expand your internal memory by using micro SD card slot. Other than that, yes, that's pretty much what you can expect in terms of the design. Again, very cool designs here. We have the white, the black, and of course the gold. Now we're going to talk a little bit more about the specifications here on what you can expect with the Realme 9. Now Realme is saying that this is going to be a very powerful, or I should say, a very affordable kind of budget device today. So we can expect basic specs here, but pricing wise, obviously I do not have it yet, but it's going to be very affordable, so definitely you need to stay tuned for the launch itself. In terms of processor wise, we do have a Snapdragon 680 4G, so yes, you do not have 5G support here. Apart from that, it have this triple camera setup. Is led by the 108 megapixel HM6 sensor, which is the latest sensor coming out, so it's supposed to be quite good as well. I'll definitely be taking a couple of more shots for you guys to see on that. We also have an 8 megapixel ultra wide, and I think that's a 2 megapixel macro lens, so that's what you can expect in terms of the cameras at the back. Now if you move on to the front, we do have a pretty nice display here as well, because at this price point, good news, we are getting a Super AMOLED display. That means everything is going to be, it looks, contrast is great, saturation colors are awesome. We have very punchy colors on this display here. Another thing that is worth mentioning here as well is that we do have that 90 Hz refresh rate, so everything here should be fairly smooth. Definitely, again, at a budget price point, 90 Hz is actually very respectable. So that's what you can get in terms of the display at the front. Now you also notice that we do have a tiny cutout camera on the top left corner. I just thought I should mention that as well in case you are wondering. But yes, that houses the selfie camera on the top left corner. Alright, so that's just in terms of the display. Battery wise, we have a 5000 mAh battery, which supports that 33-watt fast charge that you can find with the charger in the box. Alright, one more thing that I should also point out is that the devices themselves, the Realme 9 does come with Android 12.0 right off the box. So that's definitely good to see here because, you know, we always want to have the latest version on Android on our brand new devices. So yep, good to see Realme having that Android 12 together with the Realme UI 3.0. Very, very nice on the Realme 9 over here. So overall, yep, that's what you can expect in terms of the specifications from the Realme 9. Again, Realme is saying that this is going to be one of the most affordable smartphones that they are going to offer in Malaysia's market. I'm sure you will be having it in all the other regions around the world. So do stay tuned for the price. Very, very excited for that. And yeah, this is what you can expect in terms of the Realme 9. Don't forget to stay tuned to the channel because I will definitely be testing out those awesome cameras at the back, which Realme is saying, and sharing my experience with you guys in a week from now. With that said, to all my Muslim and Malaysian friends out there, I do hope you're having a selamat berpuasa, and yeah, do stay safe and healthy throughout this entire period. Alright guys, that's it for today's very quick video. I do hope to see all of you guys in the next one. Stay safe everybody. Bye!